welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a hair review, and this is with Ishow Hair. This is actually one of my favorite hair companies that I've worked with for body wave hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how it was installed, the process. It's not a wig, it's a sew-in. So I have the frontal sewn on and then glued down, and then my sister helped me with sewing on the bundles. And by the way, you guys, this hair is the Malaysian body wave hair in inches 24, 24, 26, and a 20-inch frontal. You guys will see that in the package, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and let you guys see how I got this, and then we're gonna do the styling at the end. So I'm gonna be bleaching with the BW2 Clairol powder. This is a fan favorite. I'm gonna be using the Clairol 30 volume developer. I have 20 here in my house, and I also have 40, but I'm just gonna use 30 because I feel like it's a happy medium. And then to mix with the two, I'm going to be using this Adore Violet Gem hair dye. You guys know about the purple canceling out all the, you know, orange shade or whatever, and I do use this, and every time I do tend to use the purple in my lace frontals, the frontals always come out bomb. Alright guys, so this is what the lace front is looking like after I plucked for about a good 2 hours. I don't even know how many hours, but I've been plucking. If you guys want a plucking video on how I pluck my frontals, I would be glad to do that for you guys. I did show my technique already in one of my videos, but I can make a detailed video on how I do pluck. And just to quickly show you guys, this is how much hair I plucked out from the frontal. This is a lot. It's actually a pretty good amount. So it was pretty thick in the front. I don't know the density. I think it was like 150 or 130. I don't know. This is how much I plucked out of the frontal. Hey guys, so it is magically the next day and I am just going to be showing you guys how I curl this hair. Let me zoom back out to show you guys how long it is. All I did, like I showed you guys how I did my edges on this side, I basically just like, you know, went ahead and did my edges on this side, of course, and it looks great. I used the Got to Be Glued and Eco Styling Gel at the same time, and that combination works very, very well. So I always use it for when I do other people's hair and my own. I haven't worn lace for in months, you guys. I am so excited. But let's go ahead and start curling this hair. By the way, I'm using my Duval curling wand and I love this curling wand. I will have a coupon code on the screen for you guys to get some coins off if you would like to purchase this curling wand. I love it. I don't ever use a hot comb. I literally use this curling wand or curling wands in general to lay down my frontals. I like to start from the front when I curl my hair. A lot of people like to start from the back. I like to start from the front. I did make a side part for myself. So yes, and I'm curling forward because I wanted there to be like a kind of a poofy thing going on at the top. So that's what I mean by kind of poofing around. I want it to like poof roof up at the top right here. Y'all know that I like to let my curls cool on the other side of my head so that when I flip it back over, it's really voluminous. So that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all, every single curl I'm gonna do is curling forward. So take the curling wand and curling it forward, like moving your arm in the front. Alright you guys, so you have made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation. I freaking love doing lace fronts and I just haven't done it in a while, so I wanted to of course share it with you guys, my new style for what I'm going to be wearing. This is my hair that I'm gonna have for school, my first day back for school. Thank you so much to Ishow Hair for sending me these beautiful bundles and this frontal. I love it. The hair looks honestly amazing. Like, you can't tell me that this don't look really, really good. I'm so excited that this came out the way I wanted it to come out. If y'all want to see how I, you know, do the plucking and stuff like that for frontals, I would love to do that. Like whenever I do another client's hair, I would love to like show you guys how I pluck the frontal and how I apply it on that person's head. I feel like it's showing you better as opposed to me doing it on myself. When people come to me with like previous work that was already done on the frontal and the frontal like looks whack or it looks bad, and then you don't pay for the plucking and the bleaching, I kind of am forced to do like the bare minimum to said hair. I absolutely love it when people want me to do like the full 360 on that frontal, okay, all the way down to the application. Yes. So if you're in the UCF area and you want to get your hair laid and slayed by your girl, I would love to hook y'all up if you're in the Central Florida area. All right, enough rambling, you guys. I love you guys so much. I cannot wait to continue to do fire banger videos for you guys because I love y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Ooh, lace on flat. Highlight on what's that?